Cable Ties and More is a provider of a variety of high-quality cable management solutions to clients located in the United States, Canada, and around the world. Applications for our products range from at-home DIY projects to heavy-duty jobs and are suitable for use by individuals to large government institutions, commercial and industrial corporations, along with thousands of small businesses. We strive to offer the lowest possible prices on zip ties, cable protectors, heat shrink tubing, wire loom, safety and electrical supplies, and other cable management products. At Cable Ties and More, we try to ensure our products are always in stock and provide fast shipping at reasonable rates. For more information on our products and their applications, check out our YouTube page for more in-depth product videos, or visit our website for more information and to order your cable management products today.